Alright, go.
Ew, why are you recording me too?
What the heck?
You're scaring me. You just did it. I landed on my stomach. That's your fault. Someone's fault but your own. You didn't use your legs.
What the heck? Just do it!
Owen, you better be throwing this at practice. I swear to God.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Lauren!
I need water!
I got this on recording!
Oh, Lauren, you got it all over your face. I noticed! Just take it off.
Close your eyes.
Yes, send it to me. That deserves to be on ridiculousness.
Close your eyes. Oh, Lord.
You're gonna have to wash your face at the shower thingy over there. Like now. Or you just walk around with sand. It's in my mouth!
Ew, now you got paper in your lips. Ew, come here.
Oh, and I have sand on my butt.
No more.
No more! You're the one who did that!
You fell flat on your face. You did a swan dive. Didn't you?
Hey, where'd you do it? Where did you do it? Like right here. You left a face mark. Where? Where did you just do it? Because all I know is that you left a face mark.
Somewhere right here. I think it was right there.
Okay, here's where she was standing. Right here. I'm pretty sure that's the face mark. And she just... Whoosh. You're so stupid. Oh my god. Okay, it's made.
I don't know, but you got sand all in your eyes.
Yeah, but stop!